Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy that guy, and literally as it says in the title, we're going to be learning how to put pinstripes on your car. And guys, I'm not going to do any intro today. Oops, I was trying to damage my car, you know. I'm not going to do any intro today because literally I just want to, it's more like how to kind of video. So let's just get right into it. How we're going to do this, literally we've got the actual pinstripes, so they're called styling strips. You can get this easily off eBay for £4, £5, that cheap. I've got it red, obviously, to cut to match the red and black, whatever my car is doing. I've got antibacterial multi-surface cleanser. The alternative to this, you use alcohol and water. I've got cloth, obviously, to wipe, because you've got to wipe the area before that goes on. I've got an extra wet towel just because I just want to give it some extra wipes. And yeah, let's actually get into it. So how do we do it? First thing first, what you want to do actually, so first thing first, I'm going to start with this. So the front sphere, I'm going to wipe it, give it a nice wipe all around it. I'm going to just get my anti-surface wipes and spray around the area. As you can see, it's not straight sticky, right? That's because you got to peel the stuff off. You got to peel the stuff off when it goes on it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Firstly, I want to measure how much I want to use. Put straight directly on something like that.
Purchase your track.
First bit is done. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is the wheels. Obviously, I just had my wheels refurbished recently, so this is also good if you're not trying to get on the curb scratches, because what happens is the pinstripes will take the damage first before your actual whips take it. I mean, your actual wheels take it. So yeah, that's something's worth looking into then, isn't it? Obviously, that's the first wheel done, so we're getting there slowly. So yeah, I definitely did not expect this thing taking long. So obviously I'm on my third tire now, 2 more to go. So yeah, let's get it. Last and final one now. So literally guys, after I don't even know 2 hours, 3 hours, or at the end and I can't lie, it's not the best of the best, but if you follow the processes, I had a little bit of issue towards the end because basically I had a wet surface, so I whacked it. But you see, as you can see, literally, one minute, literally this is the dry part of the sun. What is going on with my face? Yeah, this is the dry part. I was able to pattern the side nicely, but when it goes to the other side, because the sun, there's no sun there, it takes a bit longer. But we got there in the end. I'm mostly more particular about this front bit, and yeah, we got the smashing. So yeah, man, easy tip to get your car looking a bit more, you know what I'm saying? It's just the little details, the motor and stuff anyways. But well, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and give me a like button if you did enjoy this video. And guys, I appreciate you lot supporting me. Keep watching my videos. Road to 500 on the way. But anyways, guys, your boy that guy, as always, one love and peace out. Pow.